In this video, we'll introduce our app, which is called Goll. Its main purpose is to recommend interesting places with other members in the same group, and all the group members can vote for an activity venue from the recommended places. This app has wide application scenarios. For instance, colleagues can use it to share and choose an optimal place for team building activity. Friends can also vote for a place to hang out using our app. There will be two types of users in our app, the group member and the group manager. All users can add groups and recommend places like good restaurants or activity places to people in the same group. These places will be vividly marked on the map. The group manager can create a new group, manage it, and launch a new vote for the activity venue. In this app, we use sensors like GPS and cameras to make our app more friendly. The map interface we use dynamically reacts to the GPS sensor and can show the user's current location. Besides, we use cloud databases to store all the user and group information, which integrates our knowledge in the information systems domain. We also optimize the structure of our app to make it respond in real time. For technical depth, we use several frameworks in our app, such as Spring Boot and React Native. Besides, we combine the SHA-1 and MD5 algorithms to make sure privacy of users' passwords. Our UI design is based on the Android Classic guideline, material design, and we add many illustrations and unified colors to make UI visually appealing. We add bottom navigation bar and buttons or icons to make the features easy to access. We also add meaningful labels and notifications to help users understand. Our app provides novel functions to make up for the gap in the market. There are other apps for place sharing, but none of them focuses on users in a group or provides a voting function. Therefore, our app is a surprising extension. We believe it can change people's life by helping them organize group activities more conveniently. In addition, we design personas. We also use Figma to draw prototypes to ensure our app is visually appealing. We will upload these files in the zip file. Then we will introduce two personas who may use our app and display the relevant functions. John Russell is one of the personas. He often has team building activities with his colleagues. However, John is a little introverted. He always follows others' suggestions when discussing the activity venue, and he hopes there will be an app to share everyone's ideal activity venue and vote anonymously to make a fair decision. Then we will show how our app can satisfy John's requirements. Firstly, John can register a new account. If successfully registering, the system will save his user information to the database. Then John can log in and enter his homepage. Here is the setting icon. John can click it to enter the account setting page, and then modify his nickname or password. By clicking the All text, John can view all the groups he has entered. John can navigate to the Add Group page by clicking the plus button. By entering the correct group number and group PIN, the user can add to another group. Then John can choose one of the groups as his current group. Since this group has new activity, John can find the current voting field on his homepage. Here's a countdown that shows the time remaining before this voting ends. By clicking the Add Location button, John can share a new place he wants to recommend to other group members. You can see that there's a Select Place page. John can choose a place on the map to recommend. On this page, via GPS service, the blue icon shows John's current location. John can choose a place by searching the address in the search bar and selecting the matching result. After selecting the place, John can fill in the place address and the place name, then choose a suitable tag for this place and write some recommended reasons. Finally, John can add photos of this place. After John clicks the Post button here, we can see that the new place has been marked on the map. You can see there are also many places shared by other group members. In addition, John can click the list icon in the bottom navigation bar to view the recommended places in the list form. John can choose different place types here and sort them in different ways. If John finds that the place he wants to add has been added by other members, he can view the detailed information about the place. John can click the Add buttons here to add more recommended reasons or photos if he wants. John can also vote for a place.
Then let's talk about another persona, Ella. As a designer team's leader, Ella likes to organize team activities, for example, visiting the exhibition together. She hopes there is an application enabling her team members to share new exhibitions among the group. Also, this application allows her, the group manager, to create a group poll to decide the location of the next team event. The group functionality of Goll meets these needs for Ella. Firstly, Ella can create a group on the platform. After clicking the orange text on the Adding Group page, she can navigate to the Creating Group page. She needs to enter a group name and 4 digits group PIN to create a new group. Because she is the manager of the group, there is a clickable Manage Group button on her home page. She can click the Edit icon to modify the group name. Also, she can modify the group PIN. By clicking Group Members, the group members list will be shown. Also, as the group manager, she can kick group members out. If there is no ongoing group vote, she can create one by clicking the Create button. Activity name, locations, and voting length are needed. She can pick some of the locations recommended by her group members as voting options. The voting will start as soon as she has successfully pressed the Start button. Then the group members in her group can vote for this activity. Thanks for watching. Hope Goll can help you with your team activities.